Ready?
Ready? Oh! Me! Why is shampoo alone not enough? My answer is letter A. Shampoo does not provide enough nourishment for beautiful hair.
How often should you use a conditioner? The answer to that is A. Every day.
What product is best for repairing hair damage? So, Kuya, my answer is letter A.
What causes damage to your hair? Letter D, all of the above.
Dahil na perfect ninyo ang inyong hair quiz, lahat kayo ay makakatanggap ng hair reward.